Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube space. My name is Gift Nasimu, just in case you are new here. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know the vibes. Welcome back, babe. Welcome back. Hey, so guys, as you can see, I am looking all nice. Yeah, so tell me that in the comment section. I'll appreciate it. Anyway, thank you so much for the support that you have been showing me in my videos. Thank you for watching, subscribing, sharing, commenting. I don't take that for granted. So in my last video, you all know that I needed a house. So I decided to go house hunting. But fortunately or unfortunately, I did not get what I was looking for. But guess what? Guess what? Finally guys, we have found a house, and I actually want to show you how it's all looking, and you can rate my, is it an apartment? Anyway, let's go. So my loves, we are actually here, and I just want to show you the house. But even before I do, I just want to put it out there that there's someone who was in the house that moved out. So the house is being repainted, then there's some cleaning that needs to be done. But anyway, so ignore any dirt that you will be seeing in the video. So see we go. Yeah, so once you enter the door, of course, we have the living room, and as I had mentioned before, it is being repainted, so don't mind that. So this is how the living room looks like. I like the fact that the walls are white, because landlords at times, just, I don't know what happens when it comes to choosing colors, but I'm happy that this one chose to just have white on the wall, which is a plus for me. And I'd say it's kind of spacious for me, considering that I'm just living here by myself, so I don't really mind. So yeah, that is the living room.
Yeah, I know we lost touch, but I'm still here. We were young, we were kids, it was something rare. I told you everything, but when it all burned down and you were left with nothing, did you question God, or did you see it coming? Come on, oh come on, yeah. When it all burned down and you lost my number, or you couldn't even call, didn't know if you recovered or not. Come on.
Yeah, so that is the living room. So how about you just head right into the kitchen, my beautiful kitchen, where what is that word, delicious meals will be made. So yeah, basically it's actually really small, but I don't really mind, because as I've said, it's just me who will be living here, and it's my first house. It's not like I bought the place, but it's like my first house. So yep. Some storage space up here, and then you have this part as well, and then more space here. Then at the bottom, let's see, okay, this will work just fine for me. And I just love the way the tiles are white as well, because those funny tiles that are normally in rental houses are never the vibe. So I'm happy that the tiles are white as well, and the countertop has a touch of white with some, I don't know what to call these things over here, but I don't really mind. Then as you can see, the tap is really a fancy one. Okay, and yeah, I did confirm that this place has enough water, constant supply of water, so I know that won't be an issue as well. So yeah, that's just about it as far as the kitchen is concerned.
When it all burned down and you were left with nothing, did you question cared about me. But when it all burned down and you lost my number, or you couldn't even call, didn't know if you recovered. Oh Lord, come on, come on. And I didn't know if I would see you again. Oh, did I lose you? I think I might have lost you. But when it all burned down and you were left with nothing, did you question God or did you see it coming? Come on.
And then right after the kitchen, we do have the balcony. I know for sure that this video will have an echo because the house is empty, but don't mind. So that is the size of the balcony. As you can see, yeah, it's actually spacious and I love this about it. So yeah, so this is what I have as my view, Mother Nature of course, and I'm really loving the vibe. Who knows, maybe I'll be doing my morning runs on this car field. I don't know. Yeah, I hope I really get back to working out, but anyway, that is besides the whole point. On to the next room, which is the bedroom. Behold the bedroom. Drum rolls. Anyway, I'm just playing around. So this is the bedroom. It is tiny but really cute. I actually love it. I also love the fact that the closet is spacious and would fit most of my clothes, if not all.
Yeah, I know we lost touch, but I'm still here. We were young, we were kids, it was something rare. I told you everything, but when it all burned down and you were left with nothing, did you question God or did you see it coming? Come on, oh come on, yeah. When it all burned down and you lost my number, or you couldn't even call, didn't know if you.
Yeah, so that is the bedroom. Very brief. Anyway, so on to the bathroom, which is more of the washroom and shower area combined. Ooh. Well, I love the fact that it has this already installed, so I don't have to install that by myself. And then it also has this where I can maybe put my maybe shower gels and stuff. Not sure. I'll figure it out. But that is just about it. It's really small. And then I think this will be fixed as well. It's a really small one, but you know, we don't mind. So it's basically just that, guys. Then over here we have the another sink, yeah, and a mirror. So I brush my teeth from here as I manifest from here, you know, and tell myself how beautiful I am. Yeah, guys, so that is just about it. And even before I wrap this up, I won't get tired of saying thank you so much for the support that you guys have been showing me in all my videos, and I do hope that you did enjoy this episode. And of course, guys, I'll catch you in the next one.